What up guys, Cocktails by Hawk here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the Damrak Virgin Eastside cocktail. Let's get it cracking. We're gonna start out with our Damrak Virgin, and what I like about it is it's distilled with 10 different botanicals and it's got all that Damrak flavor without the buds. Then we're gonna muddle some cucumbers, about 4 slices right on in. Next, we're gonna take a handful of mint, throw it right on in. Then we're going to take a little bit of some lime juice, squeeze it on in. There we go. And then we're gonna add just a touch of simple syrup. Let's add some ice to our mixing tin. All right, and let's shake it up. Okay, and since there's muddled ingredients, we're gonna double strain it with our fine strainer. And for garnish, we're gonna take that cucumber that we prepped earlier. We're gonna set it on like so, and then take our mint. And there you have it, the Damrak Virgin Eastside cocktail. You know, if you're looking to take a break from booze, but still want something that's still delicious, look no further. Cheers, guys.